Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify design. To verify your design to code workflow using Framer Motion, start by setting up your project environment. Begin by creating a new React application if you haven't done so already. You can use Create React App to quickly scaffold your project. Open your terminal and run the command npx create react app myframer app. Navigate to your newly created project directory by running cd myframer app. Next, install Framer Motion by executing the command npm install Framer Motion. After the installation, open your project in your preferred code editor. Locate the app.js file in the src folder. Now, import the necessary components from Framer Motion at the top of your app.js file. Add import statements for Motion from Framer Motion. Next, choose the design elements you want to animate. For this guide, let's animate a simple div element. Replace the default content of app.js with a functional component that returns a motion div. Set up your motion div using the motion.custom function. Customize the animation properties such as initial, animate, and exit. For example, set initial equals opacity 0, animate equals opacity 1, and exit equals opacity 0. Add transition properties to control the duration and timing of your animation. You can do this by adding a transition prop, for instance, transition equals duration 0.5. Next, define the event triggers for your animations. Consider adding a button that toggles the display of your animated div. Create a state variable using React's useStateHook for managing the visibility. Use a button click to update this state, which will control the rendering of your motion div. Incorporate conditional rendering to display the motion div based on your state variable. Now, run your project by executing npm start in the terminal. Once your application is running, interact with the button to observe the animations in action. Make adjustments to the animation properties as needed to achieve your desired effect. Test the workflow by verifying that the animations work seamlessly with your React components. Iterate through your animations by refining and enhancing the design details as necessary. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.